Hello students, let us have a look on this problem. There is a spring system which is connected to two masses, time period of oscillation. So actually A is equal to pi square, the spring constant value. So what is the mistake people commit over here? See, in the place, you know the formula for finding the time period, pi into root over m pi k. Because there is a system of springs here, so you have to use, there are two masses here, so we have to use here m reduced. There's a concept of m reduced. M reduced actually converts two masses into mass, and the formula is given as R is equal to 1 m by m1 5 into 5 by 10. So that's a mistake people commit. So they forget to convert these two masses into. Now you have to find the K effective value. So these are parallel. K are in series. K1 K2 by K1 plus K2. Solve, you get K by 2, and the resultant one is again in series. Final K value, there are three steps. 2k and k by 2 are in series, plus k by 2. Cancel k square here, and 2.5k comes k by 2.5. So it would be, time period would be reduced, has come 2.5, coming by 0.5. So pi 2.5 square, it becomes 0.5. K value is 25 pi square, pi. So pi and pi gone. Finally, your answer is 1 second.